Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Squarespace. First, select an e-commerce template from over 180 options to begin building your online store. Squarespace offers a user-friendly platform with a drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to customize your site's design, colors, and fonts. You'll add a dedicated store page to beautifully display your products, ensuring a professional and engaging shopping experience for your customers. Once your store is set up, it's time to add your products. Squarespace supports various types, including physical goods, digital downloads, and services. For each item, you can upload multiple images, write compelling descriptions, and set prices. Easily manage different product variants, such as sizes or colors, each with its own stock level. Organize everything with categories and tags, helping customers find exactly what they need. Accepting payments and managing shipping are crucial for your online store. Squarespace integrates with popular payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, and its own Squarespace Payments, allowing you to accept major credit and debit cards, plus digital wallets like Apple Pay. For shipping, you can set up flat rates based on product weight, or use carrier-calculated options. The platform also helps you efficiently manage orders, process refunds, and provide tracking information. To grow your business, Squarespace offers robust marketing tools. Enhance your store's visibility with built-in SEO features, optimizing product titles and descriptions for search engines. Easily integrate your social media accounts to promote products and connect with your audience. You can also launch email campaigns to announce new arrivals or special discounts. Plus, comprehensive analytics provide valuable insights into sales, traffic, and customer engagement, helping you make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.